Hey everyone, welcome back to the Plant 3D Virtual Factory. Today we'll prepare our paper layout. We'll add a custom frame and title table, then set up the plot settings so we can export our drawing to a PDF file. We'll also learn how to use viewports to control what part of the model appears on your layout, and how to adjust the scale and visibility inside them. Let's create a P&ID drawing where we can show all these modifications. Later, we'll use the same drawing to develop our technological scheme in detail. As you can see, the default settings create an A1 paper layout with the AutoCAD default tables. In real projects, we don't use these. Instead, we replace them with our own custom tables to include specific project details and company information. Let's delete the default tables and copy in our own tables instead. This way, the layout will match our project format and documentation standards. I've chosen the A2 format. It's a good balance, not too big and not too small, perfect for our project drawings. Let's move on and change the plot settings to ensure our layout prints correctly and the PDF output looks clean and professional. First, select ISO Full Bleed A2. Next, choose what to plot. This defines which part of the drawing will be printed or exported to PDF. Select Window, then use your mouse to mark the edges of the area you want to include in the plot. Now, as you can see, our mouse cursor doesn't move smoothly, it jumps in small steps or distances. That happens because a few snap commands are currently turned on. We'll need to turn them off to get smooth and precise cursor movement while adjusting our layout. The first command is Grid. You can see it's set to 5 millimeters. Simply click Off to disable it. The second command is Snap. Turn this one off as well. Now your cursor will move smoothly, making it much easier to position elements accurately on the layout. Now let's select a few options, and as you can see, we haven't chosen any plot device yet. To fix that, select DWG to PDF.PC3 as the printer. As you can see, the white paper layout now fits perfectly on our frame and table, exactly in the area we selected. Everything aligns smoothly, and the layout is ready for further adjustments or final plotting. Now we need to see what's inside our model space from this layout. To do that, use the Viewports command. Select how many viewports you want. In our case, we'll use just one, and then draw a rectangle on the paper layout where you want the model view to appear. When we're inside the model viewport, scrolling the mouse wheel changes the model scale, which can be annoying when adjusting the view. To prevent that, simply lock the viewport using the lock icon in the bottom right corner of the screen. This keeps the scale fixed, so you can pan and work safely without accidentally zooming or changing the scale. And whatever you draw inside the model space will automatically appear in your layout viewport. This way, any updates or changes made in the model are instantly reflected on your paper layout, keeping everything consistent and up to date. That's it for today's video. We've set up our paper layout, added our frame and table, adjusted the plot settings, and created viewports to display our model. In the next video, we'll continue refining our drawings and start building the technological scheme. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.